guys, it's LPS Fireheart here. Yeah, that's me. Okay, hi. Okay, so today we are at damn it. I do not know where we are, but oh, guys, look at this. Okay, so today we are at a bird of prey area. Right, lots of different birds of prey. Look up there. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, this is LPS Fireheart here. We're at the birds of prey sanctuary. Whatever. Now have a look at this bird of prey. See it? Do you see it? Do you guys see it? Okay, let's keep moving.
Really?
Hey,
come on.
Guys, can you hear me?
Determined not to look at us.
Okay, you hold that.
So close. That's better. Come on, guys. Let's get moving. Come on, guys. Let's go. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. Okay, so I'm not sure what bird we're going to look at next, but whatever the bird we're going to look at, crap, too dark. Damn it. Hang on. That's better. Sorry, the camera's a bit weird. Hey, look, there's Andy Dawn.
Okay, yeah, where you right?
Hey, Andy Dawn. Why?
Yes.
Oh, look at that.
That's my auntie. Oh, that's my little brother. Oh, I think that scared him. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh, hey, dudes, can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that?
It looks like his head's too small for his body.
He does, doesn't he?
Well, that's because his head needs to be
Oh, look, he's so cute.
Take him on then. We're at that one. We'll take him on.
Yeah, he's cute. He is cute.
Oh, it's two in there.
Norfolk/New Zealand book out.
I didn't come out very well.
That's a good thing about digicam, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look, there's two big ones here.
Okay, that one didn't turn out as well as I thought.
No, he took the wires too.
Cool. Oh, wait.
They're pretty.
Wait, hang on. Ah, damn it.
They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
If they looked at you. Sort of eyeing you up for dinner. Looks like you just had a bath.
Hey, we're going to bird though. Get out of the way. Sorry. Oh, crap. Go.
They don't go all the way then. They go pick quite a lot of them down, don't they? If they went all the way then, they'd strangle themselves, wouldn't they? Oh, there he is, and he's up there with his hut. See?
Yep.
What sort of owl is that then, Spence?
It's a Siberian eagle owl.
Oh, right, I knew it was a Siberian eagle.
Where is he then?
Yeah, I was in his house.
He looks really cross at everybody.
Yep, just
Hates
just-
everything.
just
That grumpy old man.
got it. Just got it. Just
Oh,
got
well
it from.
I drew a picture once.
Okay. Hi, guys, hello. Can you see me? Guys, hello.
He's what? Yeah, I
Hello?
hand the bum really again.
Hello? Guys?
Then have a look across the grass and have a... Or should we go round? I don't know. We go across the grass. Come on, we go across the grass.
You rebels, you.
Bum, 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 bum.
Come on guys, let's go! Dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum-de-dum. Oh guys, look at this, look.
They've got some nice colours, haven't they? On their head.
Their heads look kind of like giant turkey heads.
They do look like giant turkey
They
heads.
look giant
They might be turkey head vultures.
Oh, they're king vultures.
Oh, it's close then, wouldn't I?
I would have called them turkey head
Oh,
vultures.
here look. Turkey vultures.
Oh, yeah. So I guess the black ones are the king vultures and the ones with the weird turkey things are the turkey vultures.
I would say you're probably right.
They're like flying turkeys.
Well, turkeys can fly.
Yeah, but I didn't got it.
What do they taste like at Christmas?
I don't know. You've got to get one if you want. Snuck it out with us.
Yep.
You can pluck it.
Oh yeah, that just to say, this video's got to be for 10 minutes, okay?
Ain't me.
This doesn't like people.
There we go, I got it there.
That would have been a lovely picture then.
Okay guys, I'm not sure how long it's been since I started this video, but in 10 minutes I have to end it, okay?
Morgan, going to smile to me. That's a good boy. Morgan,
What are we going to do?
Morgan, smile. Blow me a kiss.
Like this?
Blow Auntie Dawn a kiss.
Not me, dude. I'm yours.
Okay guys,
Yay.
we have seen a number of different species of animals, so let's continue on our little... Hey! Dado!
Well, I was only trying to help.
Okay, ignore my thumb hit but Dad just did. Ignore that guys. The video do not...
Oh, another stamp. Well done, Spence.
Hey guys, look at this. No. Guys, can you see? But... do I get it?
I like these vultures because they feed them rabbits.
You had to say that, didn't you, Dad?
I did have to say it, and you're right.
I'm just trying to get a good
Top
shot.
person I am.
I'm just trying to get a good shot here.
I bet the ones at the top there, Ren.
Good brush, didn't he?
And what about the ones at the top?
Oh, that's better. Nah, that's a pretty good one. Don't you in the white? Side. Oh, no. Wow, I've never seen that one that close up before.
He's eyeing you up for lunch.
Don't you dare, you little twit.
He's thinking, They're eyeing you up for lunch too. Like, ow.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like an owl. It looks like... Yeah, I know what it looks like, but it doesn't look like an owl.
No.
What's up with that one?
Got really good head.
Yeah, especially looks better when you're closer. But yeah. Like a little lion or something like that.
Oh, they're long-eared owl chicks.
Aww.
Oh, that's why it makes much noise. It won't feed him.
Hello.
Oh, he's quite cute.
Yes, ain't he? Hello. Okay, we know you're hungry. Jeez. Come on, let's
Rain falling on your head, mate. Is that what it is? Water falling on your head, eh?
let's leave that poor thing on its own. Okay, that owl is loud as heck. Oh, okay. Wait, how long have we done this for? Hey, Dad. How long have I been doing this video?
I don't know, Em. What did you ask me for? So was I supposed to keep track, was I?
There should be a bit that says how much battery it is left.
Well, if not, you have to use Spencer's if he's not using his. But have a look in here, see what it says in here.
Hang on, guys. We're going to do a little bit of
Oh,
research.
light come on. Yay!
A bit of research here. Research.
Oh, you can, yeah, I know why you have it. It's a computer. No, you're not going to go on it.
This is something when it's there.
Hey guys. And here, and up here. See that? See that?
Yeah, it has got long eyelashes. Oh.
Yeah, it's cute because it's like screeching at you.
Yeah, well, like any kid, really.
Well, I was going to say, it's like, you know, when you're hungry, you screech.
You didn't say it like that. We said it like.
Hey, Hans John. I just there. This little video that I'm doing, yeah, it should be for about 10 minutes. Yeah.
Actually, I think they're blind over there.
Yeah, I was going to say, I think come 11 o'clock, I'm not quite sure what the time is.
I can't see. Too much, it's too dark.
Come on, guys, let's go. I'm like, wait, how long has it been? Let's see. Well, I'm not a time record keeper though, but
Another stamp.
Stampity stamp stamp.
One down the top. Oh. Right there.
okay. That's what I should talk about. Well, wait.
Are they drunk birds?
What time is it?
Must be.
Yeah, he's not really. Put your head there.
I didn't mean to put ink on his hand.
Ah, yeah, right. Nosy grosy.
Hey, Hans John, can you tell me when 10 minutes is up? Because I want to end this video quick.
Well, I think what you might have to do is you might have to edit your video at the end, so make it 10 minutes. Because you might have lots of little bits. You think, oh yeah, I want that bit in it and that bit in it. So
Yeah.
you can put them bits together and make a 10-minute video.
Well, that's what we want to do here.
Yeah, you can make the bird there.
Okay. Okay, I'm not sure how long it's been though, but I think I gotta end the video when we go to the next bird. Is the bird there?
Yeah, think your motor's beautiful.
Can't see a bird, but when we get to the next bird, I'm gonna have to end the video on that, okay? Bird in there? Oh, there it is. There's one. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to end the video when we see this bird, okay?
Oh. They're all over there in the corner, Morgan. They're having a mother's meeting. Over in the corner, you can't really see them, they're behind the bushes.
Okay, guys.
Mother's meeting. They're all discussing which one of you lot they're going to have for lunch.
Okay, guys, I'm afraid I'm going to have to end the video at that. Leave me a question in the comment below. And Elvis Fireheart, signing out.